This is a simple water level controller which can be used to control the motor, which is water motor, which is giving the supply to the overhead tank. The circuit is very simple. It uses a 555 IC, 8-pin IC. You can see this is the IC which is used in a bistable multi vibrator configuration. That means the state of output of the IC will remain in the same state until it is triggered or reset in other state. So these are the bistable, means both the states are stable. As you can see, the circuit has got some transistor. One transistor is used. This transistor is driving basically a LED just to show you the working. Otherwise, instead of this LED, we can have a relay, and relay in turns can control the water motor, because relay's output part can be connected to the 220 volt AC, and it can practically control on and off the water motor. This side you can see there are 3 wires. These 3 wires will be extended to the overhead tank. The one is a common part, as this one, red one, you can see this is a VCC, which is 5 volts, and other 2 are the low and high input points. Normally what will be happen, you can see at this moment the LED is glowing. This means the motor is running, because the overhead tank is empty. Now what will happen, as the water is running, the overhead tank will start filling with the water, and a state will reach when it will reach to a minimum level. So when it will reach to a minimum level, it will touch to this. It will touch to this one, and you can see still the motor is running. Now this blue wire, this blue wire is used at the top of which will be sensing in the top level of the water tank, and when water is full, this will also will complete the circuit with this. Now you can see the LED is stopped. This means motor is stopped. Now again water utilization is started with the overhead tank. Now if this is removed, this means the water level is decreasing, but still you can see motor is not running, and it should not, because the motor should start running when it will reach a specific minimum level. The minimum level will be reached, then again this will be disconnected, and again the motor will start running. In this way, it is a purely automatic circuit. The motor only runs when water drops to a specific level, and it will start running till till the tank is fully filled with the water, and it will remain in that state, and again it will run when it will reach a minimum state. Thank you very much for watching. Happy viewing.